Virtual reality is a growing industry that's become more diverse and is used in a range of different areas. It's the use of computer technologies creating a simulation where a person can interact and become immersed in a three-dimensional environment through the use of a headset, making images and surroundings feel real. Virtual reality goggles and headsets are used to create this virtual environment and takes an individual into another world or game using different sensory stimuli. Empathy is the main focus, although they must be carefully constructed to ensure an individual is fully immersed in a specific world. Images and audio must be in sync, whilst the story must make sense. Loomis states that imperfection within the virtual display system serve as constant reminders that the virtual environment differs from the actual physical environment. One industry that's taken on virtual reality is in the military, as a cost-effective way to stimulate safe experiences for services in the Army, Navy, and Air Force. It's used to train in a safe, less expensive, and sometimes rare way that can't be replicated easily in real-life situations to prepare individuals and teams for scenarios. Simulating actual vehicle, real soldier, or actual combat environment allow leaders to learn from outcomes in the combat situation and gain an improved understanding of plans that may or may not work out in the field. Soldiers improve upon their awareness, decision-making skills, and provide further experiences of how situations will be when they're out in the field, preparing each person mentally to be able to cope in harsh situations without being overwhelmed. People can be placed in a virtual setting of a fighter jet, submarine, or tank to feel what it's like to be in a small, confined space, or experience jumping out of a plane with a parachute to understand how it feels with the effects of disorientation and falling created from this. Designing products for military, such as weapons and transport, has also developed to run tests in an immersive way by visualizing designs and forming changes when needed through the virtual reality space. This means that remote collaboration is also possible between labs and engineers to plan and develop on their product. The advancement of virtual reality technologies have helped military groups around the world to train and prepare teams in a safe environment for real-life situations that they will face, but with a greater understanding of what they'll be faced with and how they're going to be needed to react in these difficult situations. As Loomis states in his research, virtual reality has advanced. The resulting virtual worlds have grown increasingly realistic, which have helped to be used for development in a range of different areas, further showing just how popular and useful it has become in our ever-growing world.